If you've been fighting against the scale for a long time already, but still can't get rid of those extra pounds, you will enjoy learning about 3 drinks that can help you with that. Having a slim waist isn't an easy thing, especially keeping it slim. It's necessary to have a balanced diet and be active daily. As for now, there isn't a diet that is exclusively for that. However, there are some tricks that you can do before going to bed to boost the process. Did you know that? These tricks are simple, but they can help you lose weight faster because they accelerate the digestive process. Did you know that good digestion is important for your weight loss? According to Ayurveda expert Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, to efficiently lose weight, it is necessary to have a good digestive system. In Ayurvedic medicine, when we improve our digestion, it is possible to lose weight and increase metabolism. And that's where those 3 drinks come in. Chamomile tea. Did you know that chamomile tea can be used as a tea to lose weight? Recently, we made a video talking about the benefits of this very special herb, loved by many. We even talk about its benefits for weight loss. If you want to learn more, watch the video. Chamomile improves digestion and has a soothing effect, reducing anxiety, and also directly affects food binging. Besides that, it also helps reduce the bloating caused by bad eating habits. Drink a cup of hot chamomile tea before going to bed to improve and boost your weight loss. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek and its essential oil have been used for more than 2,500 years in Ayurvedic medicine. It has many benefits, such as treating sore throats, inflammations, anemia, stomach and gallbladder disturbances, activating the immune system, and many more. It can also help you lose weight. To make this tea, boil water and add the crushed fenugreek seeds. You can crush them using a pestle. After that, cover and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Strain and drink. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon can be used for weight loss because it improves insulin efficiency, controlling the blood sugar levels. We have already talked about cinnamon many times on our channel. Cinnamon also has many antioxidant and antibiotic properties. You can make a cinnamon tea with 1 cup of boiling water and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix and let them infuse for 20 to 30 minutes. Drink a cup of this tea at least half an hour before going to bed. Did you know about the slimming powers of these 3 teas? Try them and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.